I think it's somewhere around 15, maybe closer to 20 years ago, after corporate America decided that it had had enough of me, that a telephone interpreting service was set up by AT&T at the time, and I contacted them and was hired as a contract telephone interpreter, Yiddish, English, Yiddish. And at the time I figured, if I get 1 or 2 calls a month, that will be a great deal. It has turned out to be very often 1 or 2 calls a day. Wie heißt er? Provides his name and address. His name. Wo ist seine Adresse? Provides the number and the street. And the client asks, in what city? So I translate, in welcher Stadt? Oh, der Dritte. Maybe I should speak louder. In welcher Stadt? Der Dritte. And then it hits me. I'm speaking Litvish. He is hearing Shtok, story. In welcher Shtot? Oh, Muncie!